Over $160 billion a year is lost to healthcare fraud, overpayment, and billing mistakes, with 80% of medical bills having at least one error. Around 76% of people who dispute their bill are able to find financial relief. Hey everyone, this is Colin from the Nothing Suspicious team, and Open Health is a crowdsourced healthcare transparency platform built for unmasking the hidden costs of the for-profit medical insurance industry. We offer users the ability to search and compare medical procedure prices across insurance providers, locations, hospitals, and other billing factors. We also allow for crowdsourced contributions and access to an autonomous healthcare analysis agent. Here you can see we have the homepage with search and add procedure. As well, we also have the most reported procedures from the data we have. We're going to click on a procedure here. This is a physical therapy visit. You can see we have the average cost per provider, as well as the cost range distribution on the right over here. Similarly, we also have filters. So you can see we can filter by insurance and any specific insurance plan under an insurer. We can also search by any state and city location. So we'll do Corvallis, Oregon here, and you can see we've narrowed down even to a specific hospital. As well, you're also allowed to search simply by date. So if you want to get the most recent invoices in maybe a current plan year. We also have medical terms here. You can also share any sort of filters with your friends or for you to save later. You can also sort by relevancy, lowest price, and highest price. We also offer the ability to add an insurance profile where you can put in a deductible, copay, coinsurance, and any remaining out-of-pocket balance. By selecting any associated provider and plan, you would get what your actual payment would be given that you have that insured. So here we have Cigna and Open Access Plus. You can see here we match to this submission, and it's estimated that given these insurance profile, we would only actually pay $17. You can click on any card and see the corresponding CPT code for each service, the amount of units, and that cost per unit. Here we have our crowdsourced community data tab where anybody can add a procedure. So the easiest way to do this is upload any billing insurance document, an invoice of any sort, and we have a Nemotron powered document parsing that will ingest any PDF or image and autofill the form to the best of its ability. You can see here that we were able to get the state, city, the procedure description, state of procedure, the hospital name, and even the insurance provider name, although that seems to be a bit wrong. You can see here we have cost information as well and the actual CPT line items for the specific procedure. So we'll see, I'll just add Pacific Source and the Navigator plan, and I can simply just add the procedure. And there I've contributed to making healthcare a more transparent, open, and accessible resource for anybody.
Here's our agent interface. This is more than a chatbot. It is an autonomous agent investigator powered by Nemotron. You upload a real medical bill, and the agent reads it, understands it, researches it, and audits it step by step. It uses our MCP server with our entire database, Tavelli web search, custom tools, subagents, and full observability, so users can see exactly how it reached its answer. The goal is simple: help people understand and fight confusing medical bills.
With the median American only holding approximately $500 in emergency savings, open and transparent healthcare costs could be the difference between financial ruin and stability.